In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim and cut video in CapCut PC. If you need to split a clip into separate parts, remove mistakes, cut out awkward pauses, or simply shorten the beginning or end of your footage. This is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on a PC. The process is quick, precise, and once you do it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. Start by looking down at your timeline tracks. This is where your video clips are displayed and where all the cutting and trimming happens. To choose the exact spot where you want to make your cut, click and hold the top handle of the vertical white playhead line. Then slide it horizontally along the timeline until it lands on the exact frame you want. Usually this will be the point where a mistake starts, where a loading pause begins, or where you want one section of the clip to end and another to begin. Taking a second here to position the playhead accurately makes the rest of the edit much cleaner. Once the playhead is in the right place, it's time to split the clip. Move your cursor up to the small horizontal shortcut toolbar located just above the track lanes and click the split icon. It looks like a square divided by a vertical line. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and B. As soon as you do that, the clip is sliced into two separate sections. That means each part can now be edited, moved, or deleted independently, which is exactly what you want when cleaning up footage. Next, remove the section you don't need. Click directly on the isolated clip segment that contains the mistake or unwanted pause. When it's selected, you'll see it highlighted with a white border. Then press the delete key on your keyboard to remove it instantly. This is the fastest way to clear out unwanted parts of your timeline without affecting the rest of the clip. If you still have a few extra frames left over at the beginning or end of a clip, you can trim those down manually. Hover your mouse over the far left or far right edge of the clip block until you're on the border handle. Then click and hold and drag inward. This lets you shave down the edges and tighten up the timing with more control. That's it. By positioning the playhead, splitting the clip, deleting the unwanted section, and trimming the edges, you can clean up your footage in just a few quick moves. You're all set. Done.